morning, dear students. Today we will discuss next part of chapter 12. Question number 7. Question number 7, exercise 12.3. If the length of a chord is equal to its radius, then find out the angle on the major segment in a circle. Okay, length of chord is equal to its radius. It means according to question, radius and length of chord is equal. Okay, first we draw circle. Now AB is chord, AC is chord, and BC is also chord. Okay, AB, BC, and AC all are chords. Then join OA, OB. Okay, why OA, OB, and AB? OA radius, OB radius, and also chord is equal to its radius. Therefore, AB also equal OA and OB. Now, let AB be a chord. According to question, we let AB is a chord which is equal to radius OA and OB. AB is equal to OA and OB radius. Okay, now we know that triangle OAB is an isoscale triangle. Triangle OAB is an isoscale. Why isoscale? Because OA equal OB. Both are radius na. Therefore, OA equal OB. Now, angle AOB is 60 degree. Isoscale, therefore, two side equal, then corresponding side equal. It means their corresponding angle are also equal. Therefore, angle AOB is 60 degree. AOB, this one is a 60 degree. Therefore, we know that arc ACB makes angle at center O. Therefore, value of ACB is half of AOB. ACB is half of AOB. Angle subtended by same arc on center and remaining part of a circle. Clear? Now, value of ACB is half of AOB. It means half of AOB means 60 divided by 2, 30 degree. Therefore, now arc ACB makes angle at center O. We calculate the major segment na. Major segment means taking point D on circumference. Taking point D on circumference. It means join AD and BD. Join AD and BD. Therefore, we calculate angle ADB. Okay. Now, ADBC is a quadrilateral and it is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, here value of ACB is a 30 degree. We calculate value of ADB. Now, C and D are opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. A and B are opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. We know that sum of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is a 180. Therefore, angle C plus angle D equal a 180. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, sum of opposite angle in cyclic quadrilateral is a 180. So, angle ACB plus angle ADB. Angle ADB plus angle ACB. Sum of both angle is a 180. Angle ADB we calculate angle ACB. ACB equal 30 degree. So put here 30 and transferring on other side. It means 180 minus ACB means 30 degree. So 180 degree minus 30 degree. It means angle ADB is a 150 degree. Answer is a 150 degree. So the major segment in a circle is a 150 degree. Clear? Simple question. First, draw a diagram according to given question condition. Chord equal to its radius. So we let first we draw circle. AB is a chord. We let OA and OB radius. So OA, OB and AB are equal because length of chord is equal to its radius. Therefore, OAB is isosceles triangle. Corresponding side equal, then their corresponding angle are also equal. So 60 and 60. It means this one is also 60. And ACB is half of AOB. So O is 60, C is 30 degree. We calculate angle D na. ADBC is cyclic quadrilateral, and in cyclic quadrilateral we know that sum of opposite angle is a 180. Therefore angle C plus angle D equal 180. Angle C is 30, so angle D equal 180 minus a 30. Therefore angle ADB or major segment is a 150 degree is a answer. Clear? Next question. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is in figure is given in question. Angle ADC equal 130 degree. ADC means angle D is 130 given. Chord BC equal chord BE. Chord BC equal chord BE given, means BE equal BC. Now then find the value of CBE. Value of CBE means this angle calculate. Okay. Now according to question, angle ADC equal 130 degree. Angle ADC is given 130 degree mention. Chord BC equal chord BE. Chord BC equal chord BE given, mention as it is. Then we know that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD. Okay. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Now, in cyclic quadrilateral, we know that according to previous question number 7, sum of cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Therefore, here ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. No opposite angle. A and C is opposite. D and B is opposite. Therefore, angle B plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D equal 180 degree. Now, angle B is calculated. So, angle D given 130 degree. 130 degree mention as it is, equal 180 degree as it is. Angle B equal 180, 130 transferring on other side, 180 minus 130. Angle B equal 50 degree. Therefore, angle B means CBO. Okay, angle B means this angle na, CBO. So this one is a 50 degree. Therefore, here CBO and EBO, these two triangles similar because BC equal CB, BC equal BE. Corresponding side equal, then their corresponding angle are also equal. This angle is 50, so this one is also 50. Therefore, angle CBE means CBO plus OBE. So 50 plus 50. Therefore, CBE means CBO plus OBE. 50 plus 50, 100 degree. Therefore, angle CBE is 100 degree answer. And we know that BCO and BEO, these two triangles are congruent. By which rule? Side congruency rule. Why? OB equal OB, common side. BC equal BE given, and BCO equal OE because O is the midpoint of CE. Okay, clear? Simple question. Cyclic quadrilateral, according to given question, chord BE equal chord BC, ADC equal 130 given, and B is opposite angle of D. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in cyclic quadrilateral we know that sum of opposite angle is a 180, therefore angle D plus angle B 180. So angle B equal 180 minus 130, 50 degree. These two triangle are similar because corresponding side equal given, then their corresponding angle are also equal. So 50 plus 50, therefore CBE means CBE, angle CBE equal 100 degree is a answer. Okay, next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is in figure this figure is given angle ACB is 40 degree. Angle ACB is given 40 degree. Find the value of OAB. Find the value of OAB means this angle. Okay, now ACB equal 40 degree. ACB equal 40 degree. Now angle AOB. Angle AOB is a 80 degree because double of ACB na. Why? Angle subtended by arc at the center is double of that subtended by same arc in remaining part of circle at any point. We know that. Okay, so relation between ACB and AOB. AOB is double of ACB, so angle AOB equal 2 into 40. 2 into 40 means 80 degree. Okay, we calculate angle OAB. We calculate this one. So OA and OB equal. Why? OA and OB are radius. Therefore OA and OB are radius. This one is 80. So we let OAB. This one is x and this one is also x because corresponding side equal, then their corresponding angle are also equal. Therefore OAB equal OBA. OAB equal OBA. This one is x, this one is x, equal x. Let OB equal OA radius. OB equal OA radius. Therefore in triangle OAB, we know that by angle sum property, sum of all angle is a 180 degree. Therefore angle O plus angle A plus angle B, angle O plus angle A plus angle B equal a 180 degree. Angle O is 80 degree, angle A is x and angle B is also x. Therefore O replaced by 80, A replaced by x, B replaced by x equal 180 as it is. 80 transferring on other side, 180 minus 80, 180 minus 80, 100. Same values added, x plus x, 2x, 2x equal 100. Therefore we calculate value of x na, then x equal 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 means 50 degree. Therefore angle OAB equal 50 degree. We calculate OAB. So this one is 50 and this one is also 50. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 80, 180. And in a triangle, sum of all angle is a 180 degree. Clear? Again, ACB is given 40 degree. Angle ACB is given 40 degree. First we calculate AOB. AOB is 80. Double of this angle na, because angle subtended on same arc and angle subtended on center and remaining part of a circle. So and we calculate OAB na, OA equal OB, both are radius. Therefore we let this angle is x, this one is also x. So OAB is triangle, and in a triangle we know that sum of all angle is 180. So angle O plus angle A plus angle B equal 180. Angle OAB equal 180. We calculate angle this one na, so x plus 180. X plus 180 equal 180. We calculate x plus x 2x, 180 minus 80, 100, x equal 100 by 2, 50 degree. So therefore this angle is OAB equal 50 degree answer. Clear? Next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is in figure AOB is the diameter of circle and C, D and E are 3 points situated on semicircle. Find the value of ACD plus BED. ACD plus a BED. Okay. This diagram is given. Now we join A to E. We join A to E. Okay. AOB is a diameter and semicircle. AOB. This one is O. AOB is diameter and semicircle. Semicircle means this one, upper part. To prove or calculate angle ACD plus BED, calculate. Okay. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ACDB is a cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore in cyclic quadrilateral we know that sum of opposite angle is a 180 na, same condition. Sum of opposite angle is a 180. Therefore angle C plus angle E, because ACDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. ACDE, A, C, D and E. A, C, D and E is cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle, angle C plus angle E equal 180, angle A plus angle D equal 180. Therefore, angle ACD, this angle, and angle AED, this angle is opposite na. So angle C plus angle E equal 180. Angle C plus angle E equal 180 degree. Equation first. And AEB, this triangle na. So angle made in semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore AEB equal 90 degree. AEB equal 90 degree. Why? Angle makes in a semicircle. Angle makes in semicircle is a right angle na. So AEB is a 90 degree. Therefore by equation first and by equation second, we added equation first and equation second. Equation first is ACD plus AED. On left hand side ACD plus AED, ACD plus AED, ACD plus AED plus AEB equal 180 plus 90. Right hand side 180 plus 90. Therefore according to question, ACD as it is. Now AED plus AEB both are BED. Therefore 80 plus 90 equal 270. So value of ACD plus BED equal 270 degree. Calculation part is ACD plus BED. ACD plus BED equal 270. Again calculation part, AOB is diameter, C, D and E are 3 points situated on a semicircle. So this diagram is given. We join only A to A. First we join A to E. Okay. Now ACDE is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in cyclic quadrilateral we know that sum of opposite angle is a 180 degree. So here in cyclic quadrilateral ACDE, opposite angle is A and D is opposite, C and E is opposite. Now angle C plus angle E. So C means ACD and angle E means AED. So ACD plus AED equal 180 degree. Equation first. Now again in semicircle condition, angle is a 90 degree. Semicircle angle is right angle. Now angle AEB, angle AEB is a 90 degree. Therefore AEB equal 90 degree. Angle makes in a semicircle. Equation second. Add equation first and equation second. Left hand side added in left hand side, right hand side added in a right hand side. So left hand side ACD plus AED, ACD plus AED, and AEB plus AEB. Right hand side 180 plus 90, 180 plus 90, 180 plus 90. ACD as it is AED plus AEB, AED plus AEB. It means DEB or BED. This complete angle na, so BED. It means BED equal 180 plus 90, 180 plus 90 equal 270. Clear? Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts comment, then you write your doubts comments in comment box. Okay, thanks.